Hello, Tech App students. You have recently learned how hardware and software works together to create the entire computer system. It is important to understand that both hardware and software are equally important to making a computer function. Today, you will begin a project in Google Slides demonstrating your understanding of how the machine uses hardware and software to create the whole computer system. You will begin by opening the Google Slide template from your Schoology assignment as instructed by your teacher. Here you will first need to make a copy of the template and name it your last name computer systems. This template will guide you through all of the information you need to include in order to receive a 100 on your project. This project will be due next Monday, September 14th. There is a rubric located in the Computer Systems project folder as well. This rubric is essential for you to look at and use as a guide so that you are able to receive the best grade possible. Notice that I have not added any pictures, templates, colors, or fonts to this project. You will need to do so on your own. That will be a part of your grade that counts towards your creativity. Also, it's important that basic grammar and spelling is followed, such as capitalizing proper names, places, etc. Let's get started. Slide 1 will include a title, your first and last name, along with your class period. This slide can also include one or more pictures that are applicable to computer systems. Slide 2 will include a title and a summary of what a computer system is in your own words. Any definitions that are included in this project should not be copied and pasted from the internet, but simply a summary of what you have learned about these items in your own words. Slide 3 will introduce software. First, you will define software in your own words. You have learned that there are two types of software, application software and operating system software. Describe the differences between the two types of software and give 3 examples of each type. Here you can use logos or pictures to help illustrate your point. Slide 4 will discuss hardware. You will define what hardware is and the 2 types of hardware that we have discussed. The computer tower that houses the central processing unit, and peripheral devices, which are items that allow the user to communicate with the computer and vice versa. You will tell the purpose of the computer tower or CPU, and you will introduce the 3 categories of peripherals. Slide 5 will be the first type of peripheral device that we will discuss. It will be input devices. You will tell us what input devices mean and give 3 examples of input devices along with 3 photos of different input devices. Slide 6 will be output devices. Describe how output devices are used to communicate with the user. Provide 3 separate examples of output devices along with 3 photos to illustrate what they are. And slide 7 we'll discuss the third type of peripheral device, storage devices. You will tell what the purpose of the storage device is and give 3 examples of storage devices along with 3 photos of storage devices. Once you have finished and you have all of these aspects completed and have added interesting photos, colored fonts, and have double-checked your capitalization and punctuation, you will check to make sure that your slideshow is viewable to LTISD schools using the share button, just like we did with the All About Me project. Then copy the link and paste it into the Computer Systems Schoology assignment and submit.